What up, YouTube fam? We back at it again. As you can see from the thumbnail, today we're going to be wiring in the headlights and the snorkels, front end conversion 15 and up, DRLs, halogens. So there's really no any step-by-step videos on YouTube to really show you how to actually wire them and what wire goes where. And you know, there's one guy that gave me a good idea on it, and he gave you the diagrams and stuff. I think his channel was SRT what SRT. My bad. I'll put them in the description. But yeah, we got the harness for the driver's side. So I'm gonna prop you guys up and we're gonna do the step-by-step together. Let's get to it. Oh, before we do anything, boys, make sure you smash that sub button, drop a comment. I'll answer any questions you got. Maybe you got a problem you can't get past. Let's go, let's get it done. As you can see, I already have this side wired in. It's a mess right now, but I'll, you know, wire management when I get there. So your first thing you're gonna probably want to do is take your air box out. I already took mine out. She's propped up over there. See, and these are the puppies you're looking for. All right, see, I kept my blinker bulb on there, you know. So this is your blinker harness, high, low beams, and then this is your side. This would be your side running light. So we're gonna get your air box out of the way. Makes it a lot easier on you. I'm gonna prop you guys up. I'll give you a rundown on where exactly, and then I'll put the diagrams up, show you guys exactly, you know, what you're looking for, how you need it set. And the good thing about this is whatever you do on the driver's side or passenger side, they're exactly the same. Like, the wire colors are different, but other than that, you can swap them. See, I have my old blinker here. So, you know, so you can look, you know. So, obviously, negative, you know, positive, positive. You look at this one, same way. So, whatever you do on one side, you do exactly the same on the other side, and you should be fine. So, I'm prop you guys up. I'll cut the wires, and then before that, we'll start doing the diagrams. We'll go step by step. All right, so the biggest thing right here is what you need to figure out is when you're holding your connector, you got your harness here. This is the one that goes into the new 15 and up. So you're holding it at the top with the red button up, your lock thing, straight up, for both sides are the same. So this is 1 through 6, 7 through 12. So that's all you need to remember, and then I'll put the diagram up here to show you. And each port, you know, each port has its own wire. So, you know what I mean? Here's one. There's one. You know what I mean? So it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you got the numbers, you just remember 1 through 6, 7 through 12. I'm going to start with, I do the high beams and low beams first on the other side. So I think that's the route we're going to take. So we'll look at the diagram real quick. Come back. All right, so we're doing low beam. So number 9 is low beam. So 1 through 6 and 7 through 12. So 7, 8, 9. Third connector. So you flip her over, go to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So just make sure, I tape the other side, but just to show you guys and give you a better idea. So number 9 is the third one on the bottom. Okay, so okay. Number 9, this would be your low beam driver. Okay, now you're grabbing the harness like this. Okay, there's your driver and your blinker harness. This is your low beam. So holding the harness just like this. Obviously, the black ones are always negative. Okay, low beam wire, high beam wire. So the second one right here is low beam. So you splice this off, you take this little end off, boop. Okay, so now we're gonna cut this. That's why you always do one at a time, so don't just cut them off and then sit there and wonder which one is which. So you just cut this one off, wire that to that right now. Boom. So I'm gonna do that, get that done. And then essentially number 10 was ground, 11 was ground. You just go back to the diagram. I'm going to cut them, wire them. After that, it's pretty self-explanatory because you know what's what. So once again, looking at the connector like this, that's your low beam wire. The blue and white one, the green and white one's your high beam. And then the black are the two grounds you need. So 9 is low beam, number 9. And then ground and ground, and then your high beam. Tie them in exactly how the diagram says, wire them in, and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so this is what you should look like. You should have number 9, the 6, and you're holding it like this. The second white cord in, boom. Alright, so what I do is I get them all out of your way, get these two out of your way. You're just looking for 9, 10, 11, and 12. So if you remember, 1 and 6 on the top, 7 through 12 on the bottom. So 7, 8, 9, third one. Third one on the bottom from the right. That goes to your low beam. Alright, so now number 10 and 11 are grounds. So all I'm gonna do is 10 right here, 11 the other black one, and then 12 the last. I already have them prepped. So that's how you don't mess up. So I just go 12. So bottom row all the way to the left is 12. That goes there, baby. So I'm gonna cut those, place them in, and get her going. Bingo. So, as you can see, we got the last one on the bottom, number 12. You whack off that other end, wire it in. Boom, that's your high beam. Now, the other two, this would be 10 and 11. 10 and 11, go to each one of these black ones. So either one, it doesn't matter. The system just has to be grounded out. So I'm just gonna put 10 there and 11 there. Alright, don't use masking tape like me. I gotta run up the store and get more electric tape because I ain't got any. But I just put masking tape, you know, you don't need shit touching or arcing. But if you got your negatives to your negatives, your low beam and your high beam, and you did it just like the diagram said, at this point in time, you can stick the harness in the headlight up just to test it. Come in here, turn this shit on. Okay. And if you did it right, you'll have a headlight like me. So we did it right. So we got the headlight done. That's done. So now obviously you can see the running light blinker. So next to do, pull that out. Next on the list, we'll do the blinker. That one's fun too. So let's get it done. Alright, so for the next part, for your blinker harness, there's a negative, positive, positive. Right, so the middle one would be number 4. It would be number 4 on this harness. So top one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. So that's your park lamp driver, number 4. So number 4 goes to the middle one, park lamp driver, and then the other one is your blinker, your signal driver, number 5. So 4. So number 4, go back to your diagram. Number 4 is the park lamp, which to this harness would be your blinker harness, is the middle one. That is your park lamp driver wire, and then this is your blinker driver wire. Don't worry about the DRL running light. The DRL running light turns into the DRL lamp drive, runs into this one, and then you run your pigtail for your side marker on your bumper into this one as well. So right now all we're worried about is 4 and 5 on this. So 4 is this one, the middle one, and then 5 is the left, holding the harness like this. And obviously ground is the black one. Alright, so remember, number 4 is the middle one. Number 5 is the left one. There's only 2, and then there's a ground. So left one's your turn signal, middle one's your park lamp. Alright, got a bee in my face. He wants that smoke. Tape that up, put that ground off. And then number 3. So number 3, top of the top, number 3 is gonna tie into this guy. Okay. So this would have been your side marker. You cut that. Number 2 is the ground. Number 3 is your DLR driver, lamp driver. So number 3 goes to there, and then number 2 goes to the ground, and that's it for that. You're all wired in, ready to go. Plug that in. Here in a second, I'll show you where the snorkels got to go. Let me get it taped up, all did up and done, and then we'll get there. This gets real boring after a while, guys, but I'm here for you, you know what I mean? I hope I'm helping somebody out. You know, not everybody, you don't gotta pay someone else to do it, you know. Alright, there you go. That will be number 3, and it goes right into the small harness, and that is your DRL driver. You know what I mean? I forget what the fuck they call them all. Lamp, DRL lamp driver, you know what I mean? Hey, come on, chat, DRL lamp driver, I'm him. I'm a bug. But yeah, we put the ground on, we'll plug it in, see if she works. So for the guy with snorkels, obviously, if you got the ones like me, mine go with the blinker. So if you're doing that, your white wire will go to the DR running lamps, or your running lights. Boom. And the positive will go to the blinker. Okay. So I don't know which one it is right now. I have to look at the diagram, but you can sit here and play with it. Figure it out. It's pretty simple. You know what I mean? And if you just got the normal snorkels, what I would do is you just run the red to the running light, the DRL running light, and then obviously just put the negative wherever ground you want. You got 3 of them. And that's pretty much it, boys. Let me zap her in. So again, if you have the ones where they flick with the blinkers, I don't remember the brand I bought them for, but so what you do is you get this white wire, and then red goes to the blinker. So essentially, boom, 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 blinks. Easy, simple. You did everything right, and you go by the diagram. I probably said diagram quite a many times in this video, but that's it. You know what I mean? Hey. Both halos, both low beams. I have my DRLs off. I have it in SRT mode. I was trying to figure out the other day why it wasn't working. But drop a comment, drop a like. Wait till later. We'll do a video in the dark with the lights on and everything. And then I'll hook my underglows on. If you guys want me to do a video on how to hook up underglows, drop a comment, tell me. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope I could help you. Like and subscribe. I'm out.